Hello, wonderful seminary teachers. This is Sister Gentry. Hey, every once in a while I get emails from teachers who let me know that a seminary class was canceled for whatever reason. And they want me to go ahead and cancel the class in WISE. And I wanted to show you that you can go ahead and do that yourself. So what you'll want to do is make sure you're in the attendance tab. Then find the date that you want to cancel. Left click on that date, and there you go. You'll get a little box that says cancel this class session. Simply click on that and the class disappears. Nothing else that you need to do. Super easy. So I know that we may have inclement weather coming up this winter, or there may be other events that cause you to need to cancel your class. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks. Bye.